this may look just like what I had last year, but there's a lot of effort into it. As you can tell, I redesigned the rack mount. I redesigned well that. I redesigned this mechanism right here. I weld more bore right here to protect my ankle. And I redesigned this part. I welded the former was offset. The former weld was offset, so I re-weld that. It's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. I start from 11 a.m. Right now it's 7 p.m. Yeah, you can tell. There's no need to zoom. So that's a lot of time onto this. It's very frustrating. Work with on that table. It's a piece of, you're not a piece of shit. This house is a piece of shit. It's so cramped. I had so much pain having my hip hitting on the table. It's so cramped. I need bigger space. I need things to be on the place that will stay there, so I won't keep looking for stuff. I need all the tools hanging on the wall, exactly the place I need that to be, and it will be there forever. So I never need to looking for stuff. I need this tungsten I'm using is literally this long. I need a new tungsten. The working environment, the welding environment is so dim, so dark. I need to be brightened up. I need those LED lights to lighten the environment. It's so hard to work with under this environment with very little amount of money. It takes a lot of time and effort. It's very tiring to do this. But people tell me, why are you stop? Why are you stop? We want to watch you come and try stuff. This is painful. It's not joyful. It's not really joyful to do. Sometimes it just and today it's like when you have those times when it's not working. And it's so frustrating, and days like this just not gonna work. What doesn't matter what you do, it just don't work. You have those like type of days, you work so hard and things are just not working. Whatever you do, it's just not working. It's so annoying. A bad energy day, but oh my god, it's so exhausting. My waist is gone. Oh. So I managed to get the rack on. I also custom build the rack. I removed the spring. I removed this thing. I removed this. It's a useless piece of crap. It's annoying. This spring. You have to cut the cut it and remove that spring and re-weld it back again. I have this rack. I had this down rack, middle rack. So right now the track has the capacity. I don't have the materials to weld the big basket, the big box on right here. But this is the minimum gears I can use. You have those racks, so I can have 2 pannier bags on rear and big bag on the top, and then a tent in down here, down the middle rack. Oh. So now the track, I can ride like at least I can do some couple of days riding. So what I can do is to let's say I wanna go the place that is 2,000 k away. So at least I can go 100k first, go back, and then I can go 200k and go back because I have no money, no map. So what I can do is to go many tries. So, and the more I'm doing this, the more I familiar to the road. So I can go with it with no map. Just take step by step. This time, step by step. This time we go 100k, go back home. The next time we go 200k, and then we go back home. So for keep doing like this. Eventually, I may go 500k and go back home without money and map. You keep doing this. It gets better and then better and then better and then better. That's my plan.